Hi, I am your friend Avinash. Today is 25th January 2024. Today's video topic is data types in Java. In Java, uh, there are two types of data types. Firstly, primitive data type and non-primitive data type. Primitive data type are of two types. In total there are 8 types of primitive data types. Uh, Primitive data types include byte, short, int, long, double, float, char, boolean, char and boolean. These 8 data types comes under primitive data types. Out of that, byte, short, int, long, these are used for the whole numbers, and double and float are used to store decimal values. Boolean is used to store true or false, and char data type is used to store single character number as well as special symbol. Now we will discuss one by one. Byte data type takes only 1 bit of memory. Byte data type takes 1 byte of memory, and 1 byte is equal to 8 bit. The default value of byte data type is 0, and the range of values of byte data type is minus 128 to plus 127, including 0. Byte data type is the smallest of data type that stores integer value. After that, short data type takes 2 bytes of memory. 2 bytes means 16 bit. Its value ranges from minus 32,767 to plus 32,767. Its default value is 0, and it stores only integer value and not floating point value. Next data type is int. In general, we use int data type to store the numbers, whole numbers. The default value of byte data type int data type is 0, and its size is 4 byte. Means 4 byte of memory is required in order to store single variable of int. And last data type that stores whole number is long. Long data type is used to store numbers that are out of range, to store big numbers, large numbers that do not comes under int data type, that does not fall under int data type. All these 4 data types are made in you might think that why there is need of creating four data types, four types of data type that can store whole number. The difference it is because that all stores, every data type takes different memory size for its storage. If you want to store small number, then instead of storing it in int or long, we can use byte short. data type, so that memory optimization can be done. Next type of data type is double. Double is used in order to store the decimal values. Its default value is 0.0. Default value 0.0. Now next data type is float. Float is also used to store decimal values. Its range is its range is more than that comes under double data type. The default value of float data type is 0.0 f. We need to attach f in order to differentiate between boolean and in order to differentiate between double and float type of data. The next type of data type is char. Char is used to store single character. It is to store single character, special symbol or number. It is stored in single quote. Char takes 2 bytes of memory. Also, we can store special symbol in it. Now the next type of data type is boolean. Boolean stores only 2 types of value, either true or false. The default value of boolean data type is false. Now we come towards the next type of data type, that is non-primitive data types. Non-primitive data types include object, class, array, string. Array is used to store similar type of data. Array size is fixed. We cannot if the size become full, then after that if you go on adding the element, it will show array index out of bound error. Now the next data type is string. Object. Array is nothing but one object which stores similar type of data. Next data type is string. String is used to store more than one characters, more than one consecutive character. Also, they can store numbers. String is also one of the object. Thank you. That's all about data types in Java.